Hello, my name is Errol and I work with Legends Realty, and today we'll be showing you the property 2153 Mossy Vine Avenue in St. Cloud, Florida. Let's take a look. So this property was just built in 2025. It is a new construction community. The community pool is just right across the street. There's a park behind the pool as well. And then you have this big open field as well, that it can be used as a park, walk your pets, run around with the kids. So here's the community here. Let's take a look at the inside. It is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom house. And then in the front of the house, we have your 2 bedrooms. To the left of the house, we have your first guest bedroom and your laundry room. We'll step into the kitchen. You have an island. Here's your living room. Over here you have your dining room, and you have space to put bar stools right underneath the island countertop as well. Here's your main bedroom. In the master shower, or master bathroom, you have a stand-up shower, separate toilet area, and a walk-in closet. You have double sinks. We'll take a look at the backyard. It does have an open patio. And there you have it. This is 2153 Mossy Vine Avenue in St. Cloud, Florida. Hopefully you like it. Take care.